Hi friends, welcome to Life Manifestation. Today we can see about the benefits of burning bay leaves at home. Bay leaves are considered as the herb of victory and peace. Bay leaves are commonly used in cooking and remedies for hair and skin care. Bay leaves health benefits. It is used to treat illness related to liver, stomach and kidney. For external use, bay leaves have the benefits for skin and hair. Benefits of burning bay leaf. Bay leaves will release the beneficial compounds into the air when it is burned. It relieves anxiety, tension, fatigue, and increases alertness. The active compounds in the air produces a relaxing and energizing effect when inhaled. It helps us to calm our body. It reduces inflammation, boosts immune system and clear our respiratory system. Mythical benefits make our wish come true. Write the wishes on the leaves. Say it aloud and then burn them. While burning, you visualize your wish coming true as the leaf turn into energy and ash. Burn the ashes in the earth to make our wishes come true. For success, crush bay leaves into powder and then burn them for success or sprinkle around the business premises to draw customers. Induce prophetic dreams. Place a bay leaf under your pillow to induce prophetic dreams. Help to predict future. Ancient Greece, mystics chewed on bay leaves to induce prophetic state. Be protected. Carry a bay leaf to protect yourself against black magic. Place bay leaves in the corner of each room in the home to protect the people living there by removing their negative energy. Write a wish or question on a bay leaf and then burn it to convey it to the spirit realm. If the leaf crackles and burns brightly, then the outcome will be positive. If the leaf doesn't burn and refuses to smoke, then the outcome will be negative. Write a wish or intention on a bay leaf. Say it aloud and then burn the leaf to send it out into the universe. If you burn the leaf over the white candle, it may come true. How to burn bay leaves? Light one end of the dried bay leaf over the fireproof bowl once it is lit. Gently blow out the flames so that it smolders. Place it safely on the bowl. Once the bay leaf burnt out, we should feel the calming effects.